Are you one of those who've poured your heart and soul into building the perfect e-commerce website? You've strategized, tracked traffic, and watched customers fill their carts only to see them vanish. But the fact is, almost 70% of shoppers abandon their carts, which means that only 3 out of 10 customers who fill their shopping carts make it to checkout to complete their purchase. Abandoned carts are the silent scream of lost revenue. But this doesn't have to end here, because emails are a big opportunity to recover your abandoned carts and generate revenues. There are many reasons why a customer leaves your store, and a follow-up email allows you to automatically engage with those abandoned but potential customers. With ELEX WooCommerce Abandoned Cart Recovery plugin, recovering abandoned carts feels like a breeze. First things first, you have got to set up the plugin. Head over to ELEXtensions website, www.ELEXtensions.com, and navigate to the Wordpress Plugins section. Here, you can find the Abandoned Cart plugin. Once you get the plugin's zip file, you can log into your WordPress dashboard or WooCommerce store. Now you can install and activate the plugin. So these are the basics you need to have to get up and running. Now let's move on to converting your potential customers with the ELEX WooCommerce Abandoned Cart Recovery plugin. To set up the plugin, go to the WordPress dashboard, then the ELEX WooCommerce Abandoned Cart Recovery plugin, and then click Settings. Under the Configuration option, using the Abandoned Cart Time Interval option, you can set a time after which you want to consider the cart as abandoned. Use Abandoned Cart to be expired to set the number of days after which you want the abandoned cart to expire. Now, if you want to include guest users in the recovery process, just enable the Include Guest Users to recover their abandoned cart option. This covers carts left by guest users or unregistered customers. Also, by giving the details under Email General Settings, you can get notified whenever a cart is recovered. Further, you can also establish the credibility of your brand by sending the GDPR messages. Now let's hop on over to the Email Settings option, using which you can configure the email you want to send to recover the abandoned carts. We have 3 options under this setting. Email Template, which helps you create templates with your desired designs and subject lines. It also has an option to upload your own email template and add the coupons, using which you can either give WooCommerce coupons or you can create a dynamic coupon. Now, the option of Email Rules helps you set conditions for your emails, and the Email Trigger option helps you select the email template and email rule and enter the time you want to send the email. But wait, there is more. Once the email is sent, users can easily click through to complete their purchase right from the email. Plus, they can use any coupons you included in the email to snag a discount. Now let's head over to the Abandoned Carts dashboard. Here you can get a general overview of everything you've got going on while using the Abandoned Cart plugin. Here you've got a library of insights and reports to choose and pick from. We've thought of nearly everything, from total abandoned carts to recovered carts reports to conversion rate. Take your time here. You'll find so much information to help you improve as a business. Further, you can easily keep track of all the emails sent through the plugin by checking out the Email Logs tab. It's a convenient way to see details of emails that have been sent out. Plus, if you need to review any specific cart details, just hop over to the Cart Detail tab. It's all right there for you to manage and stay on top of things. Now, the last but not the least thing we want to mention is that you can always customize your recovery strategy to fit your unique business needs. Restrict and exclude specific email IDs, IP addresses, and domains as needed. But that's not all. We regularly update the plugin to bring you new features and keep your recovery game strong. Don't let your sales get lost. Install ELEX WooCommerce Abandoned Cart Recovery with dynamic coupons today and watch the results for yourself. And the results? Of course, happy customers, increased profits, and limitless possibilities for your thriving business.